Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is about decomposition reaction. So let's start the video, but before starting, let me remind you, please subscribe the channel Chemistry Nuggets and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the new coming video. So friends, decomposition, as the name suggests, decompose. So means something breaking down into simpler portion. Same here, when a single reactant breaks down and give two or more simpler products, this type of reaction is called decomposition reaction. So here we have one reactant and we have this reactant break down and give two products, or we can say more products. Here in the example we have two products, one is X and one is Y. So friends, can we say this decomposition reaction is exactly the opposite of combination reaction, where two or more reactants joined or combined chemically to give one product? Just opposite. That's why we can say combination reaction is exactly opposite to decomposition reactions. Let's have an example. If we have ferrous sulfate in a test tube, so this FeSO4 is our ferrous sulfate. If we give heat to that thing, it is basically a green color crystal form. When we start heating it, slowly it will turn to white. At that stage we can say the water of crystallization removed from that, then it turned to white. After few seconds later, we keep on heating, the whole green color will turn to reddish brown color, and then we can say the ferrous sulfate breakdowns to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. That brown color substance is ferric oxide. And sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gas evolved, that we can feel as it is very unpleasant in smelling. So now here in this reaction we can learn that complex compound ferrous sulfate is breaking down into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide is the best example of decomposition reaction. Now, factors which initiate a decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction is not an easy thing. Some factors are needed to start the reaction. Like first one, if the decomposition reaction starts with the help of heat, then it is called thermal decomposition. For example, if we have lead nitrate, this is lead nitrate, and we will give heat to it, it will break down to lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. So here nitrogen oxide gas comes in the form of reddish brown fumes. That indicates that nitrogen dioxide is made there and lead oxide is there. So lead nitrate is decomposed in lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Okay. Next, if the decomposition reaction starts with the help of electricity, this type of reaction is called electrical decomposition or electrolysis. The example is electrolysis of water. This is of water. When we have a particular apparatus for that and we pass electricity through water, we will get water break down into hydrogen and oxygen gas. So this is kind of reaction is called electrolysis. Third factor, sorry, this is 2, this is 3. Third point is when the decomposition reaction starts with the help of sunlight, or we can say in other words with the help of photons. So this type of decomposition is called photochemical decomposition. So the example is silver chloride. When silver chloride is in the form of white powder, when we take silver chloride and keep it in the sunlight, what will happen? After few hours, the white powder will turn to grey color. Now what happens there? With the help of sunlight, silver chloride breaks into silver, which is of grey color, and chlorine gas will be evolved. So that grey powder which is left over is actually our silver. And this phenomena of breaking of silver chloride into silver and chlorine, that is widely used when we are using the photographic films to shoot the pictures or to take the pictures. Now come up to the next point, use of decomposition reaction in our day-to-day life. So first use is extraction of metal. For example, the molten aluminum oxide, when go through electrolysis, it gives aluminium metal and oxygen gas. So this kind of so many reactions is using under metallurgical process for extracting metals. Next use is manufacturing of cement. This is also very big industry, cement industry. They use calcium carbonate, which is when heated, it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So this reaction is of great importance in our day-to-day life. Next use of decomposition reaction we can see in welding process. One more use of decomposition reaction is in digestion, where complex carbohydrates, complex proteins break down in form of simpler carbohydrates or simpler proteins during the digestion process. That's all for today. This is all about decomposition reaction. So if you like the video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.